immigration, and this is the Philippines. This is not China. Now you have to go with us and follow our rules. Go now. You first. We're not hurting you. Sir, capture na camera.
Sorry.
Relax.
Chinese. Visa.
Passport.
ID, passport. Documents.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Are you the chef, owner? Do you work here? Owner? You cook here?
Ito, nag-ano ito eh.
Nagluluto ka pa?
Nagluluto yan. Nagluluto.
Okay.
Okay. Come. Let's go. Come.